That's awesome. How did it taste?
It was delicious. I added a lot of veggies and cheese.
Did Ellie enjoy the pasta she made? Yes, she did. She did enjoy the pasta. Did Ellie add a lot of apples to her pasta? No, she didn't. She added a lot of veggies and cheese to her pasta. Did she add honey to her pasta? No, she didn't. She didn't add honey to her pasta. What did Ellie add to her pasta? She added a lot of veggies and cheese to her pasta.
Sounds yummy. I love pasta.
Does James hate pasta? No, he doesn't. He loves pasta. Does James like pasta? Yes, he does. He do love pasta.
Do you have any leftovers?
Yes, I saved some.
What did Ellie saved? The leftover pasta. She saved some pasta. Did Ellie save any leftovers? Yes, she did. She did save some pasta.
Yes, I saved some. Would you like to try it?
I'd love to. Thanks, Ellie.
No problem. I will bring it over tomorrow.
Great, I can't wait to taste it.
Would you like to taste it?
I would love to.
What did Ellie offer James? She offered the pasta she made.